I'm Paul Tomlinson, Managing Director and Co-founder of Mirus IT. There are two main things we focus on at Mirus. The first is making sure that we have a fun and enjoyable place for people to work. I think if people enjoy what they're doing, they're more engaged with the business and they provide a better quality of support for our customers. The second is quality. There's a real commitment to making sure here that we measure what we've done the previous week, that we strive to improve it the following week, and that's shown through our service addiction program and also our achievement of ISO 9001. When we complete surveys with our customers, they come back and they say that they're looking for a provider that they can trust, that provides a quality service and that will go the extra mile when there are problems. I think here at Mirus IT Solutions we do that for our customers. At Mirus we're looking to provide a fully outsourced service for our customers. We're looking to adopt a proactive approach to managing the system and avoid problems with the customer's infrastructure. What we don't want to do is wait for things to happen and then have to deal with those in a reactive way, because then there's an impact on the customer. So very much we've invested in tools here that allow us to see problems before they actually affect the customer and then hopefully rectify those issues before the customer's even aware of those things. In a sentence, Mirus is an IT support company. What we look to do is take the hassle out of IT. We take ownership of projects for our customers. We also provide a number of services such as telephony, disaster recovery, backup solutions and obviously day-to-day IT support. Managed services allows us to take ownership of a customer's infrastructure. It's in our interest to make sure that the infrastructure is as reliable as possible and we're as proactive as possible, because that minimises the amount of time we have to spend looking after that infrastructure. Also, because we're providing it at a fixed cost, it doesn't make any sense for us to take longer to respond to an issue, whereas on a reactive type contract, many providers will take a long time to resolve issues because that extends the billing hours. So managed services works for both us as a provider, because obviously we take ownership, we deal with those issues, and it works for the customer because as a provider we need to be proactive, we need to try and minimise the disruption to the customer. We would recommend that customers contact us and take advantage of our courtesy health check. It will allow them to understand what problems they've got with their existing infrastructure and also allow us to develop a roadmap for them for the future.
My name is Dan Sharp. I'm the Commercial Director at Mirus IT Solutions. In order to provide clients with the right solutions, we have technical salespeople who are very much able to provide customers with the right solutions, but we also have a team of pre-sales engineers who are high-level engineers, but they're also commercially aware, so they're aware of what the customer's business requirements might be, the applications that they might need, so that we can build the appropriate solution that's going to last for 1, 2, 3 years depending on the business's requirements. We're very keen to measure the success we have with our customers, so we do this through a number of means, primarily through a regular customer satisfaction survey. Obviously we want to understand the service that we're offering, how customers feel that service works for their business, and whether they would recommend us to another company. Fortunately, in the most recent satisfaction survey, 95% of those customers said that they would recommend us to another business. One of the things that our customers regularly say about us and comment on about our staff is their ability to talk in a non-technical fashion to their users. People are often concerned that IT professionals speak in a kind of a techno-jargon, techno-babble way that confuses people. That's something that we're very keen on employing, the people that are able to explain and communicate in a sensible way. One of the things that I think is key to the service that Mirus provide is our desire and willingness to go above and beyond the service that a customer pays for. So if there's a dire emergency, we can be confident that Mirus will do whatever's needed to help a customer get back to where they need to be. We invest very heavily in training across a number of key technologies that we use, primarily those of Microsoft and VMware. So we're happy to say we're a Microsoft Gold partner and a VMware Enterprise partner, which enables a customer to ensure that they can be happy that the solutions we're specifying and quoting and installing are the right solutions for their business. We recommend that all businesses undertake a free network health check. This involves a pre-sales engineer visiting their business, understanding their infrastructure, understanding the ways that the business uses that IT, and then providing them with a document that references what they've found and a plan for the future.